Hello guys, today as you can see it is 30 October 2018 and it is Tuesday, and today after the market close we will have what we call the earning news for Facebook. Now as you can see, we have seen that last earning it was a big failure for Facebook. It lost a lot from $217.50 before the earnings, and next day it goes to 176. So it is a big loss. Now Facebook has been going down, then going up a little bit, and then we have a downtrend. As you can see, a downtrend is clear. As you can see, it's going down. Let's say here the high is $188.30. Now is 141. So Facebook has lost a lot. Now, what about today? Do you think that Facebook will have a gap up or a gap down? So I'm telling you the truth. No one knows until we see the price change. So predictions is useless. For example, if you say, oh, it will have a gap up, or you say it will have a gap down. So this is just predictions. It doesn't mean nothing. The only thing is, if you are in, it means you're short Facebook or you go long with Facebook. Here you have a commitment. It means your opinion counts. Okay? If you don't, your opinion has no opinion at all. Okay? Because you are not in. So I will just try to show you what are the predictions, or what I think Facebook will do in this afternoon, and tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we will see the thing about Facebook. Okay, so I will be making a video tonight showing you what Facebook has done, and then tomorrow what Facebook will do. Okay, so let's go to the explanation. Now the stock is 141.08. Okay, so now if we can take this one here, this price, which is 141.08. Okay, if you see, for example, what's the time right now? So let's go back. The time right now is 10:46 a.m. Okay, 10:46 a.m. It means in the morning on Tuesday. It is Tuesday, as you can see. Tuesday, 30 October. Okay. Now, after the market close, so we have two things. Either a gap up, let's say 151. I give just a general prediction. 151, it means around $10 gap up. $10 gap up. Okay, this if the news is good. And a gap down, let's say 131. Okay, if there is a gap down, I take $10. It's just the average, so minus $10. Now if you buy 100 shares, you understand that either you make $1,000 in one day, or you lose $1,000. So understand, always there is a risk And this is what I always teach you. There is a risk. There is no sure thing. If you are going to buy because tomorrow will be a gap up, you are wrong. And if you maybe you short the stock and you think that Facebook will be going down and then you short it, you are wrong also, because no one knows. You can't predict something that it didn't happen yet. Yes, we give approximate things just to let you know how things work. At least if you risk, you will know that there is a risk always in what we do in trading stocks. Okay? Don't be like a fool. You enter to a trade, you think that Facebook is going up, then it goes down. This $10 is just the average. It can go $20 or $30 or $40. Now here, when we say $10, this is the average. Facebook can go to 160, 170, or 180. It can go wherever it goes. Okay? So this is just approximate thing. Now, I will make another video speaking about options. Okay? Just to get the idea, if, let's say you don't want to buy the shares of a stock, like Facebook shares. What if you buy an option? What's the thing that will happen? Okay? So this is just an approximate thing. It is general thing. So we will see tonight and tomorrow for things that will happen to Facebook. Thank you very much and see you tonight.